What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to answer all your questions and queries regarding the Lenovo ideapad Slim 5i, because a lot of you guys have asked me questions regarding that laptop. So I just thought of making a video, a question and answer video, where I will answer most of your questions. So the number one question is this laptop made up of metal? And the answer is yes, it is made up of metal. And I'm going to specify which part is made up of metal so that you can get a better idea. So, part that is made up of metal is the screen. The screen's back plate is made up of metal, where we have the Lenovo branding. That is really good thing, because screen is the most flexible part of a laptop. It might break accidentally or by any accident that might happen. So if it is made up of metal, that is a really good thing and I really appreciate it. Now the second question I'm going to answer, that does this laptop have all the Microsoft MS Word, MS Office and all the other things? The answer is yes, it has MS Office 2019, and you're also given with 1 year warranty. In case the laptop breaks in the duration of 1 year, everything will be free. Any screen replacement, it will be free. That's what the Lenovo executive said to me while I was buying this laptop offline in a market. Now, one more question I want to answer in this video, that is, can you play games in this laptop? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. This laptop is very powerful. You can play a lot of games in medium to high settings. Now, there are a lot of people having confusions like which graphic card actually works while playing games. It actually depends upon the developer of the game. If they have developed the game to utilize both of the graphic cards at the same time, both of the graphic cards are going to work at the same time to provide a smooth experience. But if the developer hasn't done that, only the more powerful graphic card, which is the NVIDIA MX450, is going to work. And you know what, that graphic card is also very powerful. So you can play games like GTA 5, Assassin's Creed Odyssey and Need for Speed Heat, FIFA 19, and that's actually what I have tested, and it will give you above 60 FPS in medium to high setting. And in Assassin's Creed I find it like you have to lower the setting a little even more, like medium to low setting combo, to get a 60 FPS in 1080p quality. But if you can, like, you just bear with 30 FPS, because one fact I want to tell you is, you all might know it actually, that is, all the consoles like PS4s and the Xbox all were gaming at 30 FPS earlier. Now the PS5 is there, obviously it's very powerful, but if you're getting a console like experience with a laptop, that's really good, because this is not basically meant for gaming. It is meant for heavy task, heavy work usage. Now one more question, that is, how about the battery life? Now I have answered to this question many times in my comments also, but still I thought of making and just talking to you guys face to face, because that would be a great idea. In terms of the battery life, this laptop is really good. It gives a very good battery backup, and I get around 6+ hours every time I use this laptop. Honestly, my usage isn't the best in the world, because I rarely game in this laptop. I'm normally using Chrome, normally, web browsing, using YouTube, and the most important thing which I do is like software editing, that is video editing in the laptop. That the video I'm just recording right now will be edited in this laptop only. So that's one thing I wanted to tell you. Now one more and the last thing that is very very important, and all of you guys have basically asked about it, that is the RAM upgradable? Now my answer to this question is, I actually really don't know. So let me just explain why. You know what, lots of people are saying that the RAM is soldered, and that is a thing where I could agree that yes, the RAM is fixed. But then one guy said that it is fixed, but there is a way to upgrade. And then you might ask, well, what's the way? The way is, you have to take out the RAM which is fixed, and you have to apply a new stick and then just solder it again. Now that is a process which lots of people are never gonna do. I will also never gonna do that, because why will I just take out my 8 GB RAM and then paste another 16 GB RAM? That is just wasting 8 GB RAM straight away. Now what about another extended slot where you can enter the RAM, or just place the RAM? Now about that I really don't know. I have asked many of the executives of Lenovo, but they were actually they're not going to the point. They were just going right left, and they're not telling the exact thing why, or like, is it available, is it not. The only thing you can do to check that, it's to open the laptop yourself and tell me in the comments below, because I'm not a person who can open or just close the laptop successfully. And obviously I'm not going to try it in my new laptop. So yeah, it depends upon if you are really curious about that. There is just one way. Take the original RAM out and swap it with another one and sold it. Now that's not a good way to upgrade your RAM. Basically, just what I'm trying to say is I'm not 100% sure, but there is a possibility which I told you, but obviously I don't think you should also do that. That's of no use. Now that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like it, subscribing to my channel would be really great, and if you like this video, I will be really happy. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.